Tartu Healthcare College is a valued higher education institution and a competence center in the field of health and well-being. The predecessor of internationally recognized college was a school of midwives founded in 1811. 1,300 students in 13 different specialties offer help at every stage of life, from birth to dignified aging. Midwives supervise and assist during pregnancy and labor, assuring the well-being of a mother and a newborn. This takes place in our modern simulation center, under as realistic conditions as possible. Childminder contributes to a comprehensive development of the baby by guiding and encouraging him to act independently. If something goes wrong, help is immediately available. Emergency medical technicians quickly assess the condition of an injured person and provide medical assistance. Radiographers use state-of-the-art technology to determine the extent of injuries in order to make an accurate diagnosis. Recovering is a long process that requires care and attention. Nurses have all the necessary knowledge and skills. The task of a physiotherapist is to regain body mobility, so a person can maintain ability to work and continue with activities. In addition to daily studies, applied research with great results is conducted in our facilities. It's how the therapeutic plans for knock-knee treatment for children were developed. Environmental health specialists ensure a healthy living and working environment. They know how to sit properly, how much light is needed, and how often a person needs to rest in order to maintain health and work capacity. Client Worker for people with mental health problems supports individuals with special mental needs in the performance of their daily activities. Studies are practical and diverse, providing services to the whole community, from individuals to enterprises. Biomedical laboratory scientists work in laboratories where condition of an organism and the factors affecting it are being studied under the microscope. But the most exciting is invisible to the eye. These are the memories, knowledge and experiences collected over the years. The wisdom of life that others can learn from. In Tartu Healthcare College, we learn from more experienced, acquire skills and others. This is the story of us. Tartu Healthcare College. Heart in the right place.